In today's episode, I will be decorating a tier tray for spring. So if you're interested in seeing what all I put on it, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello everyone, this is Stephanie of CreativelyMsMe, decorating on a budget. Now today's video, as I shared, I will be decorating my tier tray for spring. So let's get started.
It's not my fault. You've been lying, saying that I took away your peace. Drowning by yourself, now you wanna blame me. Like you have no options. I ain't take your options. Now I'm not the problem. Man, that's on you, yeah. You've been terrorizing me, yeah, I'm always wrong. I knew you lost your mind when you dropped that bomb. Girl, are you crazy? Yeah, you must be crazy. I've been thinking lately it's you. You stole your peace, put it on me. But baby, it's you. Lying like a rat, but take your stuff back. Baby, it's you.
Now let's get a close-up of how the tier tray turned out. I think it turned out cute. The little wooden signs you see, they came from Amazon in a packet for a summer tray decor. The two little rabbits, they came with the mamas on the top shelf. They were thrifted. The purple tulips, they were from Amazon. The white house from the Dollar Tree. Live life to in full bloom. I like that. The white rabbit, as I said before, her and the two little ones were thrifted. The plant on the back, on the bottom, was thrifted. No, it came from the Dollar Tree. The one up top, I cannot remember where it came from. But I think everything all came together for spring, and the colors really match what I'm going for in my home this season. So the little butterflies also came. One is orangey and one is more of a purple. It's turned around backwards. I should have flipped it. And then we have the little gnome and the ladder and another little sign. It's so cute. So tell me what you think about my tier tray down below. You know I love reading your comments, and I will catch you in the next episode. If you want to see more, click the video here or the link below, and you be blessed.